Improving CRM adoption in your team is one of the biggest challenges when introducing new software, especially if you want to ensure it actually gets used and drives value. Let's dive into how you can make that happen with a special focus on TeamGate CRM and why it might just be the right fit for your team if you do it right. Stick around, because I'm also going to share some other tools that could work even better for your specific needs. First things first, get buy-in from the team. Without commitment from the people actually using the CRM, all the fancy features won't matter. It's about getting your team on board, showing them how TeamGate CRM will directly benefit them. Walk them through the system, show real-life examples of how it'll save them time and make their jobs easier. If you can show them that using the CRM will actually reduce their workload in the long term, you'll see that adoption rate rise. Next thing, keep it simple. One of the biggest pitfalls in CRM adoption is the overwhelming nature of new software. Even TeamGate, which is designed to be intuitive, can become daunting if you try to throw everything at your team at once. Start small. Focus on just the most essential features that they'll need to get their work done. This will prevent confusion and resistance early on. As your team gets comfortable, then you can introduce more advanced features. Third thing, training and support are crucial. Make sure your team has access to training materials, tutorials, and a dedicated support system if they need help. TeamGate does provide solid support, but make sure they feel comfortable asking questions when needed. If they know they won't be stuck if they run into a problem, they're much more likely to stick with it. Now, let's talk about data migration and integration. If your team is coming from another system, make sure that the migration process is smooth. TeamGate does offer integration with other tools, but the challenge comes in setting everything up correctly. It's worth investing time in the step. Doing it properly from the start means less frustration down the road. The fifth thing is regular check-ins. Once your team has been using the CRM for a while, don't just leave them to figure things out. Regular check-ins to get feedback can help identify roadblocks early on, ensuring that adoption remains strong. Plus, these sessions are a great opportunity to highlight features they might have missed and demonstrate their value. And lastly, celebrate success. Whether it's hitting a CRM-related goal or just getting a win with improved communication, make sure you celebrate these milestones. Recognition keeps the momentum going and reminds everyone that the CRM is more than just a tool, it's part of the team's success. Now, as promised, let's talk about alternatives. While TeamGate CRM is solid, it might not be the best for every team. If you're looking for something with a bit more depth or customization, tools like HubSpot or Zoho CRM could be better suited for complex workflows. These CRMs come with their own unique strengths, especially if you need features like advanced reporting, scalability, or robust integrations with other systems. HubSpot, for example, is excellent for inbound marketing and has a fantastic free tier, but it can be a bit overwhelming with its complexity. Before you make a final decision, remember that the best CRM for adoption is one that fits your team's needs and integrates seamlessly into their daily routine. And here's the exciting part. I've partnered with TeamGate to offer an exclusive, extended free trial to our viewers. This means you get access to all of its core features, plus extra benefits that you can only get through our link. But just in case you want to explore other options first, we've also included links to other CRM tools, each with their own free trials, so you can find the best fit for your team. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to you as a viewer of this video. Check out the description for more.